Morning social media, David here from DDB Detailing in the northeast of England. Right, beside me is my own vehicle. This is our project for early 2022. I've had the car 3.5 years coming up and we're going to make some changes. This video is going to explain the process, what we're doing, how we've done it, what we've done and who's been involved. Number of people involved, not just ourselves. So here we go. It is 2014 BMW 520d M Sport Tourer. I've owned this car 3.5 years and absolutely love it. Currently carbon black. That will be changed by the time you've watched this video. Wheels are getting changed, suspension's getting changed, exhaust conversion, it's getting PPF'd. So this will be our biggest project to date as far as wrapping, and we're really excited. We can't wait to reveal it. I can't wait to actually drive it. So watch this space. Good morning again. Here we are back in the workshop this morning, and finally Projectwagon is finished. So I'm not going to show you that yet, but we're just going to explain where we've been, what we've been doing for the last 3 weeks. Start of the video when we explained what we were going to do was 3 weeks ago. It's been a long, tough 3 weeks and I've really missed me wagon. Those of you that follow us on Instagram and Facebook will have seen some of the updates, but now we are ready to reveal it. It was carbon black, it's now Inozetek Gloss Black Cherry. One of one. There is only one roll of this colour in the country. We bought it just after Christmas and it is now sitting on the wagon. Really, really pleased with the colour. It's a Marmite thing, I think. There's been some negatives, there's been some positives. People are sitting on the fence about it, but love the colour. Looks great in here, nice and glossy. It looks even better outside in the sun. So can't wait to get you those shots as well. So what else have we done to the car while it's been in? New wheels. Riviera RF 108s in double bronze tint. Fitted with Michelin Pilot Sport 4S 20-inch. And if we just follow us to the back, staggered setup as BMW should have. So really pleased with the wheels against the colour. Really made it pop. Gloss black accents across the car, starting at the front, We've got the M5 style front grills, strictly tinted show plate. That will be coming off once we've done all the video and everything in the car. We've left the headlight tints as they were. We were going to go the lighter tints, but I think the dark tints work really, really well against this colour. Following on down the side, gloss black accents on the wing inserts, gloss black on the wing mirrors, gloss black on that strip. That is normally body colour, but we figured that just worked really well into the gloss black across the roof bars. Just for a bit of contrast on the top there, we've got the gloss black fin. So inside, not done a huge amount. Give it a good clean because it's a good few months since it's had a proper clean. And this beautiful retrimmed Alcantara steering wheel with the M Sport colour stitching around the inside. Really looking forward to using that, and it's heated as well still, so ideal for those winter mornings. So you may have noticed the gloss levels on the car. Inozetek wrap is very, very, very paint-like. It's the most paint-like wrap we've come across so far. We've gone one stage further on this because we can, and we've fully PPF'd this car as well. So every square inch that is wrapped is also PPF'd. We've gone with the Premiumshield Elite Self-Healing PPF, and that has then been topped with Gtechniq Exo hydrophobic coating, our coating of choice on PPF cars. If you just follow me around the back now, show you what we've done around here. We've got the tinted plate, and down below, our good friends Lee at Exhaust Doctor, they sorted out the twin exit conversion after we supplied the BMW rear splitter, rear diffuser there, and the lads have put a gloss black trim along the top of the bumper. Reason being, there's a dog in and out of this car, and that bit is going to get trashed. We know that even with PPF on, so that's why we haven't got actually any more wrap, because this is, as I've said, it's a one of one colour. So there you have it. That is Projectwagon finished. Like I said, I am absolutely over the moon with it. The lads have smashed it out the park for us. Really, really proud of what they've achieved. Really pleased that the team have actually pulled together and just done this. And I can't wait to start using it now. I'm actually been saying for weeks, I now need a daily for my daily, because I really don't want to use this because it looks so good, and those wheels are scary as far as potholes and curbs go, but we'll be careful. So just like to thank everybody involved. So the team here at DDB, we've got Henry, we've got Marius, we've got Aaron, we've got Claire in the office who's been ordering all the stuff for this and keeping the spend in check. However, she hasn't really, because we've gone way over budget. Mark, who's helped with all the detailing and the prep work, and then Exhaust Doctor, who've done the exhaust, as we said. Fox Huntetrs Wheels and Tyres, who supplied us the wheels and the tyres. Royalsteeringwheels for the steering wheel, and the guys along 2 doors down at RS Performance, who very kindly lowered the car for us and reprogrammed all the rear air suspension, etc. So big thanks to everybody that's been involved, and look forward to showing you some outdoor shots, and there'll be some more shots on our Facebook and Instagram as the week progresses. Thank you very much.